If you're looking for the Coursera Plus pre-summer deal 2026, now may be one of the best times to save on a Coursera Plus subscription before summer begins. Before we get started, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the current Coursera Plus offer. So you can check the latest pricing and see if the promotion is still available. Right now, new Coursera Plus subscribers can get the annual plan for just $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's a 40% discount and less than $20 per month when billed annually. With Coursera Plus, you get unlimited access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and hands-on projects from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can learn from organizations like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and top universities while studying popular subjects such as AI, Python, business, data science, cybersecurity, and project management. One of the biggest advantages of Coursera Plus is unlimited certificates. Instead of paying separately for each course, you can complete multiple programs throughout the year with a single subscription. Many learners find that the annual plan offers the best value because taking several courses individually can quickly become more expensive. So, is the Coursera Plus pre-summer deal 2026 worth it? If you plan to complete multiple courses and earn several certificates, this is one of the best Coursera discounts available right now. This limited time offer is available until July 13th, 2026, giving learners an opportunity to build valuable skills before the second half of the year. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer before the promotion ends.